everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with the questions of biological classification. ठीक है, this question session is for NEET 2026 as well as NEET 2027. इसके अलावा जो बच्चे बोर्ड्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या फिर अपने स्कूल एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो भी इस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं ताकि उनके भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स और जो MCQs आने वाले हैं वो उनको अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अवर MCQ सेशन. ठीक है, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification is mainly based on किसके ऊपर बेस्ड. जो विटेकर का 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन है वो किस बेसिस पे है हमारे पास. क्या वो टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन पे है, क्या वो हमारे पास टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेल वॉल पे है या फिर मोड ऑफ लोकोमोशन पे है. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज द बी ऑप्शन, क्योंकि जो विटेकर ने सेल क्लासिफिकेशन दिया था उसने डिफाइन किया था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेल स्ट्रक्चर के बेसिस पे, बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बेसिस पे, मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन के बेसिस पे एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बेसिस पे. तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है, सो लेट अस मूव ऑन द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. विच किंगडम इंक्लूड्स द ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट आर यूकैरियोटिक एंड यूनिसेलुलर. ठीक है, so eukaryotic you have to find eukaryotic as well as the unicellular organism. The only and only is the protista. Monera is prokaryotic organisms. Okay, fungi is eukaryotic but multicellular organism. Plant is eukaryotic and multicellular organism. The only kingdom which includes protista, which includes eukaryotic and unicellular is the protista. So let's move on the third question. Methanogens belong to. Methanogens are, what are the methanogens? Methanogens are the organisms which produce methane gas, right? So methanogens include cyanobacteria. So right option is the B option. Okay, let's move on the next question. Fourth question. Which statement about the mycoplasma is correct? What are the mycoplasma? Mycoplasma are the smallest living cells. So the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. No, mycoplasms do not have any kind of cell wall. So the B option is correct. They lack the cell wall and is the smallest living cells. They do not possess chlorophyll and they are unicellular organisms. Okay, in Whittaker system, blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is placed in Monera classification. Okay. The next is 6. The slime molds are included in Protista. Okay, this is just the basic concept. If you know this, then you can easily answer the question just within 5 seconds. Cell wall of the fungi is mainly composed of cellulose. No. Chitin, yes. Peptidoglycan, no. Lignin, no. The option is B option. Okay, 8th question. The asexual spores of Rhizopus are called. These all questions are just the line of NCERT, so read the NCERT very properly. So here we are talking about asexual spores of Rhizopus. So the answer is sporangiospores, which are produced inside the sporangium. Okay. Next, the 9th question. Virus differs from the viroids in having protein coat, only RNA, protein coat enclosing nucleic acid, or infectious nature. So the right option will be the option number C, because virus consist of protein coat which encloses their RNA or DNA. ठीक है, so RNA or DNA is enclosed by a protein coat in case of virus, but in case of viroids they have naked RNA. Okay, so let's move on the next question, that is 9th question, and then we will have having 10th question. The characteristic feature of the kingdom Monera is membrane bound nucleus, prokaryotic cell organization, presence of mitochondria, multicellularity. So the right option is the prokaryotic cell organization. So Monera are the only organisms which are prokaryotic in nature. So the right answer is the B option. So that's all for this video. We have completed 10 questions of the biological classification. In the next video, I will be telling you more precisely the questions of virus, viroids and prions. As you know, these are very important topics. Other than this, the important topics which you have to focus in the biological classification is the unique feature of each kingdom. So first of all, you have to study these differences between virus, viroids and prions. Then you have to study for unique features of each kingdom. Okay, and I forget to tell you this in living world chapter, so I will be discussing the important topics of living world over here, means which we have to focus more. Taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, taxonomic hierarchy is there. Then you have to learn the rules of binomial nomenclature. Then you have to study about differences between living and non-living organisms. Okay, and then you have to study what? Then you have to focus on taxonomic aids also. Taxonomic aids which include taxonomic aids. Okay, taxonomic aids include what? They include the herbarium, botanical gardens, zoological parks. Focus mainly on keys, लेड मतलब जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है वो, जैसे मैनुअल्स हो गया, monographs. So you have to focus on these topics. So in the next video I will be telling you about virus, viroids and the prions and the main important questions for that. Thank you.